Into Animal Kingdom. There he is.
Or use the sanitizer dispensing units provided.
So today's vlog, we are going to head out for the first time to Disney since February. It's now August 2020. February and March time is when the parks closed down for the COVID. And we moved here, made our first move here in February, so we only got a short time in the parks before everything closed down. We're going to go back, see what the experience is like. The weekend we did go to Universal Studios. I didn't vlog because I didn't have a camera at that time. And the experience at Universal was very okay on mask wearing policy. Maybe 80% of people wearing masks correctly. Social distancing was a challenge, but people obeyed in the lines. And at the end of the day, they were really, really good on the sanitization. So when you got on a ride, everybody was forced to get some hand sanitizer. Made everybody have it before they get on the rides, which is good. And there was plenty of sanitizing stations around the park when you get off the rides. So that's experience so far. So let's head on down to Animal Kingdom today. Back into Animal Kingdom. Have a photo, pass if you want, Max. Keep spinning it, just spinning it. There's Everest. Wildest ride in the wilderness. Nope. There we go. Oh dear, where's it gonna go? Oh yeah. See how long Flight of Passage is. And this ride once before on the Fast Pass, and I've been on the main line. 20 minutes. There you are. Standby entrance, 20 minutes max. Shall we go? Hello.
For your safety, please keep your face covering on at all times, except when actively eating or drinking. Please keep your party together, abide by queue markings, and maintain physical distancing between your party and others. Remember to wash your hands frequently throughout
There he is.
or use the sanitizer dispensing units provided. Thank you.
Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment.
So, a couple of thoughts on Pandora. Top tips. Number one, if you wear glasses, bring them with you. First time we went, we didn't. And I'm long-sighted, so it makes the whole experience a lot better when you can actually see the whole screen. Second top tip, in these current times, it might not happen forever, but in these current times when you come off, they ask you if you want a re-ride. And if you say yes, they send you on the fast pass line, send you back down the fast pass. So that's pretty neat to get a second go straight in. What was also good from that is got to ride the top deck the first time and the lower deck the second time, and there is a difference. The top deck, I'd say, is a lot better for the experience because of the fact that you're higher up, and a lot of the scenes when you're flying, you're in the sky, and when you're on the lower deck, you're having to strain up to see what's happening. Where the lower deck is better is when you go inside in the dark cabin, you get to see all the things on the floor that you don't see from the top deck. Well, you can see them, but you have to look down. And the second thing is when you're obviously charging across the planes, charging the animals, it's a lot better on the bottom deck. But I'd say overall, top was better than bottom. But do the re-ride. We've just been on twice, and it's in these strange times, it's something you probably will never be able to get to do again for a long time. Scary dinosaurs. Hi. Oh, this is a bit quieter than last time we came.
Continents looked a lot different when you were there, and on every one.
Good afternoon, welcome down. For your safety, once on board, please remain seated, keep your seatbelts fastened. With our arms stand legs units at the vehicle at all times. Please make sure all those items are at work. About your front door, on the baggage door. Enjoy your belongings.
Well, that was recording, he was actually saying that. No pre-show.
In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tunnel that will convince you for
Off we go on the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Just fine.
Oh, is it the wrong one?
Yeah.
So we are back from our day at Animal Kingdom. I hope you enjoyed coming out with us there today. Some of my thoughts and takeaways from Animal Kingdom. Compared with Universal, I would say the mask enforcing policy was a lot better at Disney. 99% of people were wearing masks as they should. Again, social distancing in the lines was great, but when you're walking, people just seem to be oblivious that you're going to bump into anybody else. The one thing that wasn't as good for me was the sanitization on the rides. I know they cleaned them down in between rides, but in Universal, they forced you to take hand sanitizer before you went on the ride. Not at Disney. You can basically go on and there's nothing there. And then when you come off, there's a sanitization station, which is okay. But like when we went on Flight of Passage, on that ride, you have to hold on at the front. And there was no sanitization between people going in and going out on the bars that you hold on to. No sanitization before you go in. But when you come out, then obviously there are stations there. But if you're kind of very nervous around the COVID type of thing, not a ride to go on at the moment. We had a great day at the parks today. Appreciate you all coming along with us. Again, this is all to try and bring some joy to the YouTube community. And the reason I'm doing this, I will make a special call out to Ricardo's Family Vlogs, to Mike. But thanks, Mike, for the inspiration. To Mike and Della and Zarina and Sapphire. Great family. Love watching their vlogs. Thank you for inspiring me to do this. Hopefully you enjoy it. And we'll try a little bit harder every time to make these vlogs more enjoyable and more professional. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.